Hey guys, what is up? In today's video, we are going to show you how to bake a cake. Now, you need certain things to make a cake. Number one, you don't just need a campfire, you actually need a cooking pot. So as you can see here, we have two because I'm in the late game. And if you press F, you're gonna have a bunch of foods that you could cook. And if you hover here, it's the cake. As you can see here, it says a dish that is eaten during celebrations. Put it in a chest at your breeding farm. We have a pal lay a particularly healthy egg. So what do we need for a cake? So we need 5 flour, 8 red berries, 7 milk, 8 eggs, and 2 honey. Now, how do you get berries? Berries are all around the world of Palworld, and you just need a berry farm to start planting it. You need to have a pal in your base that can do gardening. When it comes to milk, of course, you need cows. You have mozzarella here, mozzarella. I mean mozzarella. Sorry, mozzarella. And then for eggs, of course, you need chickpeas. I have 2 because I only had the one for a very long time, and it's not enough. And for honey, we need Elizabeths or their assistants, their guardians, right? And as you can see here, again, if we go back, I have pretty much everything aside from flour. Now, how do you get flour? You need to have a wheat farm, and I have 2 over here. I have 2 wheat farms right over there. And after that, you would need to turn the wheat into flour. Now, how do you do that? You need to build one of these. So as you can see here, now I have the wheat farm, and let's cancel that. I'm going to show you. Okay, it's not canceling, but you need one of these, right? Which is it's not a crusher, it's in the food section. No, it's not. It's a mill. All right, so it's a mill. You need the mill to pretty much just create flour, create as much as you can, and you need somebody. You need a pal that has a watering, which is the best of which is Yormantide. You can't see him because it's the boss one. He is, as you can see, it is being processed because my Yormantide is over here because he's too big. He's too big for my base. So once you have all the necessary ingredients, it's going to be available, as you can see here. And now let's just click on the cake. And since we are going to do a lot of breeding, as you can see, we can only make 1 because we don't have enough eggs, but we still need to do 1. So let's just click start production here. And you will need here kindling. And here I'm going to, we have this guy, we have Wixen, but Wixen is just, I think, level 2. Not enough. So we are going to bring out Yormantide Ignis, right? Let's bring, as you can see, he is starting cooking. Now, why do you need Yormantide or at least a level 3 pal? Because cakes are so slow. It takes so long to make. As you can see here, it's taking a long time, right? It's taking a while. And this is level 4. Like, Yormantide Ignis is the best kindling pal aside from the legendaries, right? And as you can see, it's just the one, and it's taking forever, right? So we need to wait for our Yormantide Ignis to finish the cake. And as you can see, again, while waiting there, again, we're gonna go to rundown. Cake, you need 5 flour, you need 8 red berries, you need 7 milk, you need 8 eggs, and you need 2 honey. So for red berries, it's all over the world. For flour, you need to create a wheat farm and farm wheat. For eggs, you need mozzarinas. For eggs, you need chickpeas, and for honey, you need Elizabeths. Right? So as you can see, it's not even finished yet. Or if you don't have Elizabeths, you could just get bee guards. Bee guards are easier because there's more of them. Right? So as you can see, it's done. Let's take that. Let's bring back our Yormantide Ignis, and as you can see, we have now a cake. So that's how you create a cake. And another thing that I want you to see before we go is let's go. I have two farms, right? I have two bases. This is my main base, and I have a breeding base because I can't fit breeding in my main base. As you can see here, I have three. I have three breeding farms here. I have my incubators here. So, and I have everything to make cakes here. I have a mill. I have cooking pots. I have wheat. I have berries. The only thing I don't have here is chickens, but I will add a farm here, a ranch, so that I could also have my chickpeas here instead of in my main base. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's a video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit that the like button. We'll see you on the next one.